In a world where social interactions pave the path to a prosperous life, possessing charisma provides an unparalleled advantage. Moreover, there exist discrete techniques that can be harnessed to grant oneself an advantageous position in life. By the conclusion of this video, you will acquire a comprehensive toolkit to transform your social interactions. Here we present 15 subtle elements that foster instant likability in individuals. When encountering someone for the second time, it is crucial to exude enthusiasm. While it is commonly said that first impressions are paramount, they rarely solidify one's perception of an individual. Therefore, it is important to give people, even those you may not initially favor, a second chance to confirm your initial judgment. The second meeting holds the key to establishing a lasting relationship. Display excitement, offer compliments, accept compliments graciously, and inquire about the events that transpired between the first and second encounters. People enjoy discussing their passions, so express genuine interest in their interests, particularly those that align with your own. For instance, if you follow them on social media, discuss their recent experiences or takeaways. For example, I noticed on Instagram that you visited Portugal. What aspects of your trip did you enjoy? Show curiosity and engagement in their interests during the second meeting, as it determines whether the gap between you narrows or widens. It is important to hold your own and avoid becoming a burden in social situations. Nobody wants to carry or wait for someone who slows them down. When people instantly like you, it becomes easier to integrate into their group and keep the momentum going. If you're participating in an activity, make sure you're not the one holding the group back. There's a distinction between being a valuable social contributor and being a burden. A social asset is someone who enhances the group experience and adds value through their presence. On the other hand, a social liability is someone who constantly requires attention and diminishes the overall group experience. For example, if you don't know how to ride a bike, it's best not to join a biking trip. Similarly, if you easily get seasick, it's wise to avoid boat outings. People appreciate social assets because they can introduce them to their friends, peers, or network without worry. They trust that you can hold your own and won't embarrass them. When you become a social asset, your presence in their social circle actually validates them further. Ultimately, striving to be a social asset is a desirable goal in life. Being punctual and arriving on time, neither too early nor too late, holds significant value. As humans, we appreciate predictability and individuals who follow through on their commitments. When someone consistently does what they say and says what they do, it instills a sense of reliability and eliminates the need for worry. For example, they won't arrive at your party excessively early while you're still preparing, nor will they arrive late, causing you to wait or appear inconvenienced. It is important to recognize that the other person's time is equally valuable, if not more so, than your own. By respecting their time and avoiding unnecessary delays, you enhance their liking and regard for you. Being straightforward without being rude or disrespectful is another quality that instantly appeals to people. Individuals who know what they want and express their thoughts openly are admired, as long as they do so with grace and professionalism. How often have you encountered people who struggle with decision-making, have difficulty choosing where to go or what to order, or prefer enduring inconveniences rather than taking a few minutes to resolve them? The ability to communicate your desires clearly is a fundamental aspect of success. When the world perceives someone who confidently knows what they want, it becomes more inclined to fulfill their desires. Others will respect your clarity and authenticity in your actions and intentions. One desirable trait is not allowing insignificant events to impact your mood. Our brains process and make sense of our entire lives, which means our experiences are shaped by how we interpret and react to things. Some individuals let even minor mishaps, like a spilled drink, completely ruin their night, as they worry about others' perceptions, leading to a downward spiral of negativity. Similarly, being cut off in traffic can ruin someone's entire day. People generally prefer to be around those who don't bring down the mood of others. It's important not to let a brief moment overshadow hours of your day. The antidote lies in giving others the benefit of the doubt, recognizing our limited time on Earth, and realizing that dwelling on past events only sabotages our own happiness. Moving forward with elegance and grace, despite challenges, earns extra points. When your personality aligns with the image you project, people appreciate the consistency. False advertising is a significant source of annoyance, as evidenced by the countless comments and jokes regarding air-filled chip bags. Despite knowing that the air is necessary to prevent the chips from crumbling, people still take issue with it. Similarly, in personal interactions, when your outward appearance matches your inner qualities, it generates a positive impression. Well-groomed individuals tend to fare better in terms of perception compared to those who are poorly groomed. Similarly, being well-dressed generally surpasses being poorly dressed in the realm of optics, making slight improvements over the average, whether in grooming or attire, can have substantial impacts on your performance and overall success over time. By incorporating these qualities into your interactions, you can build strong connections, leave lasting impressions, and ultimately pave the way to a successful and fulfilling life. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. May your social interactions flourish, and may you become a magnet of likability wherever you go. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on valuable insights and strategies. Until we meet again, keep honing those social skills and embracing the power of connection. Stay charismatic, my friends. Bye.